Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to set a password on your Windows 10 computer to help protect your files and keep your account secure. Let's get started. If your computer doesn't have a password yet, anyone who has access to your PC can sign in and use it. The good news is that Windows makes it easy to add a password in just a few minutes. First, open the Start menu. Search for Settings and open it. Click Accounts. Now select Sign in options. Scroll down until you find the password section. If you don't already have a password, you will see an add button. Click add. Windows will now ask you to create a new password. Enter a strong password that you will remember but that other people can't easily guess. Then enter the same password again to confirm it. Next, type a password hint. Choose something that helps you remember your password without giving it away to other people. Once you are done, click next. Then click finish. Your Windows account is now protected with a password. To make sure everything is working correctly, lock your computer by pressing Windows plus L on your keyboard. Your PC will immediately switch to the lock screen. Now try signing back in. Windows will ask for your password before allowing access to your account. From now on, every time you start your computer, restart it or lock your screen, you will need to enter your password to sign in. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to set a password on your Windows 10 computer. If the video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.